is one of the best tinted sunscreen I've ever tried. Kung okay ba tong tinted sunscreen sa mga morena? So we're gonna go try it on my tita. Morena siya. So we're gonna do a test. Ayan, I always do it like this. Marami nagtatanong, maganda rin po ba sa morena? One on my tita and she's very morena. This has sheer to medium coverage, guys. It's so lightweight, like ito lang, pwede na talaga akong lumabas. This is also recommended sa mga students. It's melting on my skin and it's blending perfectly talaga. So ang dali-dali niya talagang gamitin. Ayan. Eto si tita, lalagyan natin ng premium tinted sunscreen. Titignan natin kung okay siya sa mga morena. 2 finger rules. Ayan. Ayan, sa taas.